to my channel today. We got the
Hurricane
spinner.
Scrubber.
Spin scrubber.
I seen on TV.
I seen it on TV. And then it comes with 3 pieces we can collect.
Okay, so let's get started.
Okay,
let's open it.
If you like this video, click the like button to see all of my awesome channels. Let's go. Let's see what's in it.
All right, go ahead and open it.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
All right.
Wow. Ooh, it's awesome.
Oh, wow, look what's in it.
Is the instructions in
This
here?
What is
the
this?
instructions in here.
Okay.
Okay, we got the instructions.
All right. I see that.
Okay.
Okay.
Now we'll see if we can build it.
But I do not see this. Like, wasn't this supposed to go? Don't this supposed to come with it? Let me see. Oh. Scott, would you get that? Okay.
Oh, you missed my hat.
So this is all that comes in it.
Okay.
Is that? Is this? That what comes in it?
And is this?
And the instructions.
And this.
Of course.
And this. And this.
And it's this.
I'm not sure.
That comes with it.
Okay, and it's this.
And it's that.
Okay, well, that's all.
And it's
what comes with it.
this.
That.
But it does not come with
the stick.
The machine, which is this. It does not come with that. And it's only $3 in the store. So I tried it. And I thought more things were going to come in it.
Well,
but it didn't.
Well.
Well, that's it. All right, y'all guys. Thank y'all.